I got this wood Easter egg from Target for $1. It says Happy Easter on the front, and I love the design of it, but it just didn't match what I needed it for. But it was the perfect shape. So I just flipped it on the back, and it was already white, so I did not paint it. And I had this napkin, and I'm just going to cut a piece so that it fits on top of my egg. And I'm going to remove the plies or layers of the napkin. Now this just had one ply. I'm then going to take a piece of saran wrap and put it to the side. And then using a foam brush, I'm just going to apply some Wise Owl 1 Hour Enamel Clear. You can also use the varnish or some Mod Podge. And then I'm going to lay the napkin on top. And as you can see here, there are instant wrinkles and bubbling under the napkin. So what you want to do is you're then going to take the saran wrap and lay it on top. And then I have a brayer here. This brand is Mod Podge, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. And you're just going to roll on top of the saran wrap. Remove the saran wrap, and now you can see how that eliminated a lot of the wrinkling and bubbling. And then I just do another coat of the 1 Hour Enamel Clear. Now, if the edges of the napkin are wet enough, it will just peel right off. And I'm going to set that aside to dry. I then took this board that I had. I've had this for a while. You can use any board that you want. And although I really like the color of the board originally, I'm going to take some Wise Owl Snow Owl paint and a little bit of water, and I'm going to apply the paint on top of my board. Now I'm mixing it with water so it's more like a whitewash. I don't want full coverage of the white. And then I'm just going to take a paper towel and I'm just rubbing it in. And then I'm going to allow that to fully dry. Once my wood egg was dry from the decoupage, I have this stencil that I found from Hobby Lobby. And these Easter egg stencils were the perfect size. And I'm just going to tape off the top and bottom design on the egg stencil. I'm just using blue painter's tape. I'm going to take some black Wise Owl paint and a small foam dabber. You can grab these foam dabbers right from the Dollar Tree, or we also get them off Amazon. And with a small amount of paint, I'm just going to dab over my Happy Easter stencil. And I just apply a little paint, and you can dab off any extra before you go over your stencil. I found these letters from Michael's. They were $3.99 and I got them an additional 40% off. These were in the Easter decor and they are a tabletop decor. And I just happened to have this napkin that matched the design of the letters perfectly. And I'm using some Elmer's wood glue and a small amount of hot glue to glue my word down on the board. And I'm sure some of you are wondering why I'm using the hot glue and the wood glue. And the reason is the wood glue is going to be more of a permanent stronghold, but the hot glue is going to hold that in place until the wood glue fully dries. And the last thing I'm going to do is just attach these hangers, and I get these from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to put them on the back side so then I can hang this from my wall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over there as well. Have a great day.